We're going hiking. We got our hiking sticks, and we got our stuff. We're all ready. And I've been working out.
Me too.
Get going, man. Hey, dude, I'm ready for some water. I need some water.
I didn't bring no water.
You didn't bring water?
No. Why would we need that? I brought a hanger though, and a stick.
What else?
Baby powder, hairbrush.
Why would we need any of that?
Dude, because it's practical stuff. And this thing,
We're gonna have to cut cactus.
and a razor.
A razor?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we have to cut cactus.
I didn't bring a knife.
Well, we're gonna have to cut it with the razor.
Alright then.
Okay, whatever.
I don't really think that's working too good. We got some cactus water.
Oh, this isn't that good. It's okay though. I mean, it keeps us alive, right? Doesn't taste that good. My mom says that that if you must, you can eat leaves.
Pretty good.
Yes, it's sour.
I think Winston's getting a little delusional.
I'm thinking about eating Buford.
Here, have some cactus juice.
That hits the spot! Okay, I'm not delusional anymore because of that cactus juice, but me and Buford are gonna go to sleep. We can't find civilization anywhere. I don't know why, but